Most people showing you how to make money with AI are in their 20s. I'm 52, and if I had just $50 to start, here's how I'd actually do it. Because let's be real, most beginners waste that first $50 on the wrong tools. I'm going to show you how not to. And by the way, I'm not talking about spending months learning complicated software or trying to go viral. I'm 52, I like systems that are simple, that save time, and that work while I'm sleeping. That's the filter I use. First, don't waste your $50 on random AI subscriptions. Most tools look exciting but won't make you a dime. Choose something people are paying for that AI can help you deliver faster. My choice? Content creation, short videos, social posts, or product descriptions. For me, I'd choose content creation, like short videos, social media posts, or product descriptions. Every business needs content, and most don't have the time or creativity to do it daily. That's where AI steps in. This is where I'd put part of my $50 into a tool that creates professional videos from scripts or blog posts. My top choice? Pictory. It's an AI video tool that takes your script or even a blog post and turns it into a professional-looking video, automatically. For $19 a month, you can make unlimited short videos that look like they take hours to edit, but they didn't. Now here's the key, don't overthink it. Keep it simple. Use those videos to offer a service, helping businesses post consistent content. You're not selling AI, you're selling results. That could be in Facebook business groups, Fiverr, Upwork, or even your local community boards. I'd post something like, need 10 social media posts in 24 hours? I'll do it for $25, AI-enhanced, professional results. Once you've made your first $50 to $100, reinvest it into tools or ads to get more clients, or even to create your own digital products. The idea is to slowly replace any manual work with automated AI workflows so you can scale without adding hours to your day. In a month, you could have a handful of recurring clients paying you for content you create with AI tools like Pictory. The more you reinvest, the faster it grows, and the less you have to do yourself. If you want my full list of beginner-friendly AI tools, including the exact Pictory plan I use, the link is in the description. Go set it up, and let your AI side hustle start paying you back. So yes, starting with $50 and no audience is 100% possible with AI.